This is a service elevator at 645 Penn Street in Reading, Pennsylvania. This is a Dover Composite from 1978. We're at 5. Now to lower level. This is on independent service. I'm doing this one. Lower level. One more trip to 5. See? It's on independent service. Very cramped in here. It's also used as a closet. State Representative Manuel Guzman. Service Center. That's your inspection certificate. Go down to the lower level. That's your key switches in there. Turn on power when ready to use. That's for the inverter generator. There's no phone in here.